Hello everyone, this is Deanne from Dazzy D's. Instead of a tutorial Thursday, let's talk about how we can take care of our head wraps. The average head wrap can run you from $20 to $35 and honestly is an amazing investment. Some of my head wraps I've had for over 10 years. Dazzy D's uses a cotton Ankara fabric that should last you for a while. I'm going to share 3 simple tips that you can use to maintain your head wrap. Wash, iron, store. That's all you need to do. Most people will recommend hand washing your head wrap so you can get out any makeup or any dirt or grime that may be on your head wrap. But let's be honest, most of us do not do any hand washing, so therefore you can put your head wrap inside the washing machine. You want to ensure that you're using the correct setting, possibly a delicate setting, and also you want to make sure that you are washing it by itself so that the other colors do not bleed onto your head wrap. You can hand dry or put it in the dryer, it's completely up to you. Now, once you get it out of the dryer or once it's done hand drying, you want to make sure that you use a warm iron so that you can knock out all the wrinkles. Once again, Dazzy D's head wraps are made from that cotton Ankara fabric and it is easy to iron. You want to be mindful if you're using a different company or a different fabric, whether or not you can use the iron on your head wrap. Storage is fairly simple. You can fold it and place it in a drawer or wherever you maintain your other items, or you can place it in one of these bags. If you are ordering through mail, most likely you have received one of these bags that you can maintain storage for your head wrap. I hope this video has been useful in helping you maintain your head wraps and that great investment that you are making. If you're in the Hartford County area or surrounding areas, don't forget about September 11th from 1 to 3 p.m. Dazzy D's presents Adjust Your Crown. During the workshop, we will learn 3 head wrap styles. We'll briefly discuss the history of head wrapping and talk about how we must adjust our crown daily. The link to the Eventbrite ticket will be above. Dazzy D's is a celebration of culture and style.